Can I make a beat when my room fills up with carbon monoxide? Let's find out. Okay, so I am currently filling my room with carbon monoxide, and yeah, serum 2 is good, I guess. Let's start with it. Let's put some drums in there. No, wait, I think this goes hard as fuck, what the fuck? Wait, this actually goes hard, what? Like, not even... Let's add... Now let's sample something. Let's take a sample of something. Okay, I've looked up carbon monoxide memes. What is this? The people in my work don't know carbon monoxide is... What? Why is the... What the fuck? What the... Dude, I'm saving this. This one's so fucking good. Oh hell yeah, you can download it in WAV format. Let's fucking go, man. Let's put some... Okay guys, I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna have to end the video there, dude.